How to remove payment method in Lyft. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of payment. With that you're gonna find different sections. Under payment methods you will be able to find your payment details. Click on it. With that you will get the option of edit or delete. In order to remove your payment details, click on the option of delete. You will get the pop-up delete card. Click on confirm. With that your payment details will be removed. So this way you can easily remove payment in Lyft. After you remove it, if you want to update with another payment method, you can click on the option of add payment method and do that. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily remove payment in Lyft. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.